These are super easy. You've got an equation y equals mx plus b, and what you're doing is you're replacing m and b with the number they gave you. So we say it's y equals m is -1, -1x, plus b plus -10. Well, both of these things need a little bit of simplification. You don't write -1x, you write y equals -x. You don't write plus a -10, you just write -10. So that's the equation, y equals -x minus 10. And that is C. Okay? Same thing for 19. You've got y equals mx plus b. You're replacing m with what they gave you and b with what they gave you. So they say m is 3. So you say y equals 3x and b is -4 minus 4. Y equals 3x minus 4. That's C. Those are your answers.